Okay, so right now we're at the Barcelona Central Station eating breakfast. It's 10:30 and our train to Madrid leaves in about half an hour.
Standing in the cold and the frozen wind, I'm leaving you behind, but it's not the end. No, no, no. Walking on the plane as I hold my breath, it's gonna be a week till I breathe again. No, no, no. And I know that you hate it, and I hate it just as much as you. But if you can brave it, I can brave it all for you. Call me anytime you can see the lightning. Don't you be alone, you can always find me. We got a wild love, raging, like among a million chain of faces. Every your eyes can trade.
So first day in Madrid, and right now we are on the way to the stadium, or in fact it's actually right in front of us right now, and we are soon going to take a tour. We got our tickets, so now let's go inside.
Checking into hotel loneliness, it's not what I've been used to, I confess. So wake up 3 times a night, and I know that you hate it, and I hate it just as much as you. But if you can brave it, I can brave it all for you. Call me anytime you can see the lightning. Don't you be alone, you can always find me. We got a wild love, raging, like among a million chain of faces. Every your eyes can trade places. We got a wild love, raging.
So that's it, that was the tour.
Qui viennent jusque dans vos bras, égorgez vos fils et vos compagnes, aux âmes citoyens.
It's been 48 hours now since we arrived in Madrid, but we still haven't really been in the city center until now. And just like we did we are going on a free walking tour.
Canada, Croatia too,
Sweden,
France. Ah, quelle ville?
Non.
No. Ah, very good, wonderful. All right, so England, right? This is where we are right now, and the plan for today will be to cover this western side of the city right here. So you see, it's very, very small.
our last day in Madrid, and you can't visit this city without being to the most well-known park, Buen, Retiro. I must say it's really beautiful with this weather and the water, where you can even hire your own boats. Really nice. And you can even get to see live turtles. Now we're going inside the Palacio de Cibeles in order to get a good view of the city.
Italian wall, it will be Isco! Spain hit the front! Isco looking for his second of the night and finds it! Spain 2-0 up!
Day 2 in Copenhagen, so it's our first day in Gothenburg. We have finally arrived in the capital of Norway, Oslo. We're finally arriving in Trondheim, metropolis of Åsele. So now we have arrived in the capital of Sweden, Stockholm. We arrived in Warsaw. We have arrived in Prague. It's our first day in Budapest. It is our second full day in Vienna. We are in Ljubljana. 1 week in Milan. This is our first day in Nice. We finally arrived in the second largest city of France, Marseille. It's our first day in Barcelona. It is our last day in Madrid. It's our first day in the beautiful city of Lisbon.